Hello, my name is Michael Lamb from Michael's Alchemy, and once again I've been asked a question about a particular metal, copper, and what is some of its uses. Obviously, we use copper in so many day-to-day aspects, and it's quite a common metal. It's also called a noble metal, like gold and silver more looked at as precious metals, and we're talking more about that later in other clips. But this time about copper, its advantages and what it's been used for. Obviously, it's a brilliant conductor. You know, in electrical cables, you see it, how it's all braided, you know, geometrically braided, or you just have a solid copper as a wire as well. So it's a brilliant conductor of electrical energy. Plus in the plumbing, we used to have the copper pipes and copper tubes. I know a lot of things are poly now, but just taking this in mind, copper pipes, very, very good. They don't corrode, you know, they can oxidize, but it would take a lot for them to corrode, but it's actually quite a noble metal. But actually on the spiritual aspect of it, or the alchemical aspect of it, copper actually relates to the planet Venus. Okay, in that aspect, it's a feminine type of metal. It has so many great uses and such great value. Also on the body, we used to see a lot of copper bracelets and that to ward off against arthritis. I mean, it probably is not like, it's not going to heal you from arthritis, but it's obviously going to prevent a lot of that because once again, you've got iron in your blood flowing through your body, being pumped, spiraling through thousands of cells, if not millions of cells going through your body all the time. And with copper, it kind of works with like iron. It's like a motor. It's like a filtration aspect. So having a ring around there, it does have some sort of I wouldn't say like an osmosis, but it does have like a connectivity to the body. So it's been used for thousands of years as a retardant to aging and what one would call arthritis and those sort of problems, okay? So you can amp it up too. You can put magnets in with the copper in that as well. Actually, I have one of these bracelets. I'm just not wearing it today. And the copper is also, once again, it's a brilliant thing that we used to use a lot in our kitchens as a lot of utensils because it has a very neutralizing or balancing energy about it. Copper's been used for so much, as I said, once again, using it for water conduction and also electrical conduction. So it's fire and water once again, you know, so it's, you know, electrical and magnetic energy once again. So we're seeing that copper has got many, many uses. This is just a brief overview. Once again, if you want to learn more about these metals, please check us out on michaelsalchemy.com. on our website, and once again, many more of these videos coming up and my new YouTube channel. So thank you very much for listening.